Don't do it. Don't do it. No! You better not do it. You gonna f yourself up. Oh, no. You better not. You. Oh! Oh! No, he didn't. You. Oh! Oh! No, he didn't.
But
Hey!
no.
Hold on, stay there, stay there. Hold on, puppy, hold on.
Look at Jen, she's an animal lover. She loves them animals. Cats, dogs, raccoons,
Dog's on the roof.
foxes. I'll tell you some shit.
Hey!
Are they home?
I don't know. Not going that harder, Jen. We'll try to catch him when he jump.
Oh, no way. He's gonna fucking knock me down. He's heavy. He might not look it, but he is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Come on, your dog is on the roof.
Look, she ready to go crazy. She ready to have a panic attack.
Man, I can't watch this. Like, this has got me all crazy. You know how I am about my
Yeah, I
animals.
see.
They're not answering. They're either sleeping or not.
Man, you gotta bang on that motherfucker, Jen. Bang on it.
Bust my knuckles open. How'd he get up there?
Jumped out the window.
It's out that tiny little bit of window.
Yep.
Wow. Did you see it?
What? Him
Come
climb
out
out
the
there? No, I just seen him on the roof.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, why you keep jumping up there, bro?
Go back in the window. Go back in the window. Go back in that window.
He gotta get pulled. I don't know why.
I banged on it. I banged on the window and everything.
Let me see.
Poor little thing. Why'd you come out the window, sweetie? Why? Poor little fella. Why you do that? They need to put the screen down. Or maybe he can nose it up. Maybe he's a smart dog.
Yeah, look at
Oh, he's
him.
whining.